concentrated definition, concentrated in a sentence, concentrated pronunciation, concentrated meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of concentrated. Concentrated. Con-cen-tra-ted. Concentrated. Concentrated means a higher quantity or density of something. Common usages in academic writing: concentrated inside, concentrated around, concentrated nearby. Example sentence: concentrated, adjective. The grizzly bear populations are concentrated in Western Canada and Alaska. The common academic writing variation is concentration, noun. The test found high concentrations of ammonia and lead in the water. Please write a sentence using concentrated in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use concentrated confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.